Okay, so for this question, I'm seeing two samples. I'm seeing two means. I see I got to do a confidence interval. I also see that they've written this question. They've written this question with in the form. Let's see. Let me get a pen going here. Here's the point estimate, and here's the margin of error. That's what they want. So we could do this by hand with formulas, and Dr. Stevens shows you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to do the mean. So I'm at Rossman Chance. I got to do the drop down to make sure I have two means selected. And I got to type in the numbers like they tell me to. So N1 is 40 and N2 is 55. We know that the mean for the first group is 2.79. We see the mean for the second group is 2.62. We see the standard deviation, 0.36. We see the standard deviation for the second group is 0.82. Calculate to get it. I think I got it in. We want to do a confidence interval. We want to do a 99.9% confidence interval. We'll calculate that. And that's my, as long as I type these in right, yeah. So this says the true difference between these two populations, the mean of these two populations could be as low as the group 2 could be 0.25 higher, and to as much as group 1 could be 0.595 higher, whatever those numbers are, they're arbitrary. Okay, but to get this answer, what we're going to do to find the point estimate, see, this is the low, this is the high value. This is not written in this form. If you try to type those numbers in as they're given, you're going to get it wrong. So we're going to find, just like when we did a single sample test, and if you did math on that, you had to do it. You had to do it this way. So we're going to add the low, add the high, and divide by 2, and find the standard deviation. We'll subtract them. And somewhere here, I got a calculator. Here we go. Let me bring that up. So what do I've got? I've got negative 0.2551. I guess I could write that because I'm adding it. Doesn't matter, right? Here, tell you what, I'll do it right. I'll do it the way I wrote it in the formula. So 0.5951 plus negative 0.2551, and then I'm going to divide that by 2. So that tells me the point estimate of the difference between the two population means is 0.71, 0.17, I mean, and then the standard deviation is we're gonna grab those two numbers and subtract them. And I'm going to be lazy and not do all the typing in. My calculator lets me do this. So I'm going to do high minus the low. Of course, it turns to addition. Is minus, and I'll divide that by 2, and that should be the standard deviation, or the margin of error, I mean. So 0.42, they want 2 decimal places, so we'll make that 3, and we'll see if my math likes it. 0.4, oh yeah, 0.43. Now let's cheat and see the answers. Yeah, okay, so I like my answers. Okay, so that's how you do this kind of problem without having to do all those formulas.